to interview from Machine Market China and German. I'm Judy from Machine Market China.
And my name is Benedict Hoffmann. I'm an editor-in-chief of Machine Market Germany.
Today we will discuss with Jingdiao, talk about Jingdiao's products, solutions, and how Jingdiao can help to transform the global manufacturing industry.
So first of all, thanks for having us here. And to my first question, from a global perspective, how does Jingdiao's R&D innovation product strategy align with the core themes of innovative manufacturing here at EMO?
First of all, let me introduce myself a little bit. My name is Acer Cho, and I'm in charge of Jingdiao Europe and the Jingdiao USA. So EMO is all about innovation, digitalization, and sustainability. Jingdiao keep a very high level of R&D investment every year. We're pushing precision machining forward while adding more efforts to the intelligent process and automations. What really makes us different is this all-in-one development model that our machine control system and CAD/CAM software are all developed in-house and fully integrated to the system. So, and this will allow us to be able to respond to our customer quickly and also able to provide them with forward-looking solutions. So I'd say we're not just following the trend, we're actually helping to drive it forward.
We all know innovation is a core part of staying ahead in the industry, but innovation always means invest. So how does Jingdiao ensure its continuous innovation capability, and what are the key areas for your future R&D investments?
That's a very practical question because based on the current situations, is to keep the funding is kind of hard. But yeah, thanks for asking that. I think for the continuous innovations, I think it really comes down to two things. It's a commitment and directions. Because if you don't have the commitment, you cannot focus on certain things. And if without the directions, you might losing a lot of business at the time. You cannot even support your innovation. So at this time, we focus on the direction while we are aiming a lot of targets, which is very high profile at the current stage. And at the same time, we keep a very high value level of R&D. So, and we keep a very close relationship with our customer. So their challenges is actually become our goals. So you see, this way, our direction is always right. To look ahead, I think we have three main majority at the time. First is the AI and the intelligent applications, which make machine much easier and smarter, easier to use. And the second would be compact and multifunctional machines. So one machine can do more jobs, more features, like you do milling, or you can also do turning and grinding at the time. At the same time, you take up the less space. So small space, multifunction. And third would be the energy saving and efficiency to support the sustainable manufacturing. So I think focus on this work scope. We aim to keep Jingdiao competitive in the years ahead.
Thank you very much. And with that, over to you.
Yeah, before my question, could you please say hello to our audience?
Hello, I'm Mark Kamps. I'm leader partner of Jingdiao in Europe.
So my first question is, could you please tell us how Jingdiao's digital and intelligent product empower the development of European users?
Yeah, I think it's the same in China as in Europe as in the US. We want to program our product, we want to have a fixed product, we want to have a quality. So the first step will be easy programming, doing simulation of the machine and get the right program to run the machine automatically. And automatically means also that we keep the tolerances and keep the quality. And that's why we use IM in machine measurement and in intelligent modification. So this software helps a lot by making small corrections and checking and modify the programs to get the right parts of the machine on the end. Because parts make the money for the customer, not the machine. And I think the third one is for our digitalization. is we can keep a lot of data out of the machine, and we can combine all this data and get the machine's efficiency. So we also combine the machine data to an SAP system from a customer, so he knows exactly what is going on in his factory and can calculate on the end, do I make money, or do I need to make a program more efficient to earn more money on the end? So yeah, I think digital is the right word to do it on this moment, and combine this, that's Industry 4.0.
We all know the global manufacturing industry is facing multiple challenges, and how is Jingdiao helping its global customers address these common challenges?
I think also for this question, it's the same in every country. We want to make money with a machine, and the machine is not more than a tool, like a milling tool or a holder. It's a part of the process. So we look to make the machine efficiency. So we make it smarter, we use the software, we use the stability to get a better part in a shorter time. I think it's really important. Asa already told them, we have a very small footprint of the machine. It's more and more the cost of the space what we use for the machines. And also electricity is more and more something, an issue worldwide, and especially in Europe. So I think with this kind of features and also automation, combining that the machine will run automatically without a lot of employees touching the machine, interfere the process, you can make a process what is running day and night and makes money. And that's, I always tell, if the machine makes money, you can sleep very well because you don't have stress about your product.